Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful flip-flops sandals. Let's start drawing. To draw the slipper, I will first draw a flower in the middle. Then I draw the upper part of the slippers, like this. Then, I draw the bottom part of the slipper. Similarly, to draw the second slipper, I am drawing a flower as before. I will draw the bottom part lightly, and I'll draw some of the rest better. I am drawing the upper part of the slipper. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm coloring pink color between the two flowers. Light blue color in middle of sandals. Orange color. I'm currently using orange color in some slippers, which works very well. I will use the same color for these slippers. Wow, beautiful! Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!